Hey, Zach here. Today I want to talk to you about how to use cold messaging to build your business, and I think you're going to like this a lot. So let's get straight into this. I'm going to put myself down right here, pop my whiteboard open, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is my number one strategy for using cold messaging to build your business. Here it is. Ready? Don't freaking do it. All right, there. Video's done. All right, see you guys. Hope you have an amazing day. Seriously, that's basically the end. Just kidding. I'm going to go over the actual strategy right now of what you can do to actually get good results. But seriously, that you shouldn't do it. You should not do it. Okay, it's a huge waste of your time. If you haven't seen some videos of ours before, here's what you need to know. You're the most valuable asset to your business. You should be enrolling people and leading your team. That's really all you should be doing. You shouldn't be cold messaging prospects to get someone interested in your business. That's like the lowest level task in a business. Legit, I could go hire someone for like $10 an hour, like a high school kid for $10 an hour to go canvass a neighborhood and pass out flyers, and I could generate leads far better than a cold messaging crazy person. And even if the leads are slightly better from the cold messenger, like I get all of my time back. And how much is your time worth? Hopefully more than $10 an hour. So you should not be cold messaging people, flat out. All right, I'm gonna give you some strategies here on what you can do to do instead. At its bare minimum, I'm gonna show you how to get 10 to 30 leads a day. All right, right now, I'm gonna show you how to do this right now. Leads per day, and at a maximum, I can show you how to get as many as 900 leads per day. Why is that a maximum? Because that's the maximum number that we've generated ourselves. Not giving you hyperbole, not giving you theory. Unlike most network marketing coaches, actually participate in this industry and do this every single day. Actually, there's 931, I believe. So I can show you to get 931 leads in a day. Now, maybe you can cold message more than that and get 931 interested people interested in your business through cold messaging. But I did this in I was actually at Panda Express when those 931 leads came in. So I set up the campaign. Took me about 1 hour. Now, granted, I have experience, okay, so don't get me wrong. Took me about an hour to set up the campaign. I went and saw a movie, the movie theater with my wife, and went to Panda Express, and 931 leads came in. So I don't know what's better. I mean, you can be the judge of that. But here's really what I want to get into. I'm going to show you how to do this, right? But here's what you really need to know. This is the most important thing. The most important thing is your product/opportunity. Okay, so your opportunity and your market fit. So we usually call this product market fit, but since we're in network marketing, you can say like opportunity market fit. Okay, I'm going to use product market fit for the sake of our conversation because it's easier to say, but I mean like opportunity market fit. All right, so product market fit. This is your number one thing. All right, so check this out. Think about this for a second. You just sponsored someone. You sponsored Johnny on your team. Johnny gets in the business. What's his first question? Hey, Zach, thanks for enrolling me. What do I do now? That's his first question. What do I do to build the business? And we all get this question, right? And if your answer is anything remotely close to, all right, little Johnny, here's what you got to do. Make a list of your friends and family and go and call them and see if they're interested in making more money. Okay, fine. That sucks. But like, let's just say he does it. And what's the next person's opportunity? Hey, go make a list of your friends and family and call all of them. Nobody wants to do that. Like, let's just be honest. Can we just call it what it is? Nobody actually wants to do that. Whether you're bringing up your business opportunity or you're talking about your whiz bang vitamin juice, super juice 5,000 that makes you lose 60,000 pounds in an hour. Like what? I don't want to do that. Johnny doesn't want to do that. Nobody wants to do that. Let's think about our competition here for a second. Right now, I could literally go online in like 20 seconds. I could go on YouTube. I could scroll for 20 seconds, and I'll probably see an ad or two about a business opportunity that I can do from my house without risking my relationships. Legit. We all could do that. We can go on Facebook right now. I bet we could all find 5 ads in the next 10 minutes of a business opportunity that we could join of some kind that has nothing to do with risking our relationships. We could sell stuff on Shopify. We could become an influencer on Instagram, on YouTube, on any of those platforms. We could do Amazon FBA. We could do Walmart, fulfilled by Walmart stuff. We could do all kinds of different things, none of which we have to risk our relationships and none of which we actually have to leave our house. Now, I know a lot of stuff is going online because of last year and stuff like that, but a lot of people are pulling back and they're going back old school again, even though they're always old school the whole time, let's be honest. But they were just using the internet as a medium. But still, they're still doing the most idiotic things in the world. Nobody wants to do that stuff. That's the opportunity. Okay, so check this out. The market The market, this is the market. This is the group of human beings. The market does not want that opportunity. That's why it's so hard to grow network marketing, because nobody wants to freaking do it. People don't like to think about this because they want to be all super positive all the time. And I'm down for positivity, but I'm also down for getting results and being realistic. The market doesn't want old school network marketing anymore. It just doesn't want it. And it's fine if you just adapt and just say, okay, it doesn't want it. I was beating my head against a wall for 7 years in old school network marketing, like pounding my head against a wall. My guess is most people aren't willing to go through those 7 years because we've watched it. So here's what you need to do. You need to develop or find, you either need to find or develop an opportunity, which is your product, an opportunity that the market wants. If you do that, your business will grow like crazy and you'll actually have more demand than you have capacity. That's what's happening in our business. It's been like that for almost 9 months. That's an actual problem, by the way. Okay? It's a better problem than not growing, but it's a legit problem. You need an opportunity that the market wants. If you have that, honestly, you don't even need to worry that much about lead gen because this thing will duplicate automatically. See, people are trying to duplicate a piece of crap. That's why it doesn't duplicate. You have to force and do all these crazy, psychotic, like borderline cult level tactics to get people to stay in the business with old school network marketing because it sucks and because nobody wants to do it. But if it's good and people are making money and people are actually succeeding, you can't blow them out if you wanted to. The reason that network marketing grew back in the day so easily, 60s, 70s, 80s, is not because people in the 60s, 70s, and 80s were 10 times smarter than you. It's not because they had 5 times the conviction you had or their why was just so much better, although they would like for you to believe that. The reason is because at that time the market wanted it. They didn't have to compete with Amazon. They didn't have to compete with Shopify. They didn't have to compete with 5 billion people advertising to your team on Facebook and YouTube every single second. It was easier to duplicate. And if someone doesn't want to believe that, just go look at macro level numbers in this industry and you'll find out that it's true. Okay, so what you need to do, rather than complain, rather than try to force old school network marketing to grow, which is what most people try to do, rather than try to be a network marketing coach that doesn't exist in network marketing anymore, what you should do is create or find an opportunity that is good enough for the market to want on its own. And then if you drive leads to that, the thing goes absolutely haywire, absolutely bananas, okay? So in its most basic sense, all you need to do is develop an opportunity that people want to build. All right, here's what people want to build. Right now, people want an actual business. People actually want to do actual, that's huge, online marketing. All right, now online marketing is ads and funnels. All right, funnels have been around forever. They're just popularized right now with the term funnels. But sales funnels have been around since the advent of business, even with people riding camels and exchanging freaking blankets. Okay, they had a sales funnel. So advertising is simply advertising. Funnels is simply a sales process that is well thought of and can be replicated. That's a sales funnel. So people want this. They don't want what I talked about before. If you teach them how to do this and then send them into a network marketing company, it will go boom. Because nobody wants to generate leads by messaging people. Nobody wants to do the cold contacting thing, which, by the way, cold messaging is just cold contacting on the internet. It is not new school. It is old school baloney. Got way better words for that, but for the sake of keeping this family friendly, it's baloney on the internet. Okay, I don't want internet baloney. So this is what we need. This is what people want to do. So this is what you got to give them. So what you need to do is figure out how to do this. Because when you figure out how to do this, you can teach it. And then you can create an opportunity that people want. All right? So, how do you do this? All right. I've made plenty of videos about this before. If you haven't read or watched The Rebels Blueprint, go down below. I think it's the first, and I don't think it's the only link, but it's the first link in the description. Go down below, read and watch that. If you've already read it or watched it and you didn't dude, everyone that's read and watched that knows it's freaking amazing. So go I go through the whole thing right there. But here's the basics. Number one, you need an advertising source. So this can be Facebook, and yes, it works on Facebook. Don't be stupid. It's just you've listened to dumb people. You can advertise on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can go to other sources that have crap leads, okay? Like banner ads, banner ads, solo ads, whatever. You can do this stuff, sure. All right, you're going to get leads. I'm interested in quantity, yes, but I'm also interested in quality. Most of the time, this quality kind of blows. But if you do the right stuff, you can do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it the way that we know how, which actually works. Yeah. So we got the advertising sources here. Whatever. You can do whatever you want. LinkedIn ads. You can do the solo ads if you want. Whatever. It's better than cold contacting. You get an advertising source and you send it to what's called a lead magnet. This lead magnet is something to get someone interested in your business, in your opportunity. Okay, so just an example. You're not going to actually do this. How I made $500,000 last year selling products online. Okay, obviously, worst thing ever. You get it though, right? Boom. People are like, yeah, I want it. What's the 3-step formula to how you made $500,000 last year? Boom. Click right here, opt in, and I'll tell you. Okay. Boom. They opt in. Then I have a page here. It's a video. This video is exactly how I did that, right? This is my 3-step formula to how I made boom, video. And then at the end, I'm going to be like, hey guys, if you want to learn how I did that and you want to work with me and you want to do this for yourself, fill out this application and we can talk. Boom, they fill out an application. Now I'm on the phone. This is the most basic funnel in the history of funnels. It's an application funnel. Incredibly basic. Like a chimpanzee could make this. Yet this right here crushes everything. It completely crushes the cold messaging stuff. Destroys it in the face. And guess what you can do? You can teach your team how to do this, number one. This is how you duplicate it. Made a video on that too. You can either teach your team how to do this, or you can literally just send them the leads and the applicants that you get. You can send these out to your team. Huh? What's better than that? Hey dude, get in my team. I'll send you leads and just call them and follow the script. How much better is that than, hey dude, I need a list of your top 100 friends, and yeah, I know how you haven't talked to them since high school and you're 35, but it's fine. It's fine. You should just call them. You tell them that you were thinking about them, and I'm sure that they're going to get into your business. No way, dude. Why would you not do this? So my strategy for cold messaging is to throw it in the trash and actually do something that people want to do, because product market fit, opportunity market fit is the number one thing that you need to be focused on. Opportunity market fit. If you have that, which this is, can that change? Yes. It changed for old school network marketing back in the day. That's why it's different now. So this will change. This will be adapted against, and that's fine. The world will change. The problem with industries and network marketing is that people don't like to adapt. So will this become semi-irrelevant in 5 years from now? Probably. But as long as we keep adapting, it's going to be fine, and you can keep developing opportunity market fits. That's what it comes down to. Is that cool? All right, guys. Well, we appreciate you. If you found this video helpful or videos like this helpful, do me a favor. Go down below. Let me know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's going to let me know to continue making videos like this, that it's worth the time that it takes to make them and that it actually helps you. So with that, guys, hope you have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you very soon. Thanks so much.